Now, you've also got the tools to do something else as well. So I'm going to take the platform control, click behavior, and I'm going to click delete. And you've got something really interesting here that you already have the tools how to do, because if you go to our event sheet, we've got when we collide with something, and when we did our windscreen event, we said wait for 5 seconds before it restarts. So what do you think we could do with those, with all the behaviors we could do? Well, we could get this platform to blink. We could get it to destroy once we land on it after a while. So we could take our player on collision with, when our player goes to the platform, when it touches the platform, we are going to say our platform, we are going to click back, we are going to go system, we're going to wait 1 second, and then our platform is going to destroy. And then if we click play, nothing's happening with that enemy object. We've turned all that stuff off. If we click on it for a second, then it will destroy, and then we can't get anywhere. So it might be you could make sort of like a bridge your character has to go on, and then when you die, it's resetting. If you wanted it to come back, we could go. We could do this instead. We could go platform, because the platform's got behaviors we've added to it. So we're solid. We're going to set enabled. We're going to turn it off. So after a minute, after a second, our solid behavior is going to turn off, and we've fallen through. But there's a couple of other things we want to do here to make that feel a little bit, yes, we're keeping the game blocky, but we still want the player to understand what's happened there. So what we're going to do is we're going to say platform again, and we're going to say set opacity, and we're going to set the opacity to 0, and then system, we're going to say wait, another second, and then we're going to platform, we're going to do the reverse, we're going to set the opacity back up to 100, platform, behavior, set enabled, and then what that should do is whenever we touch it, it should turn off after a minute. So it looks like it's disappeared because we've turned the opacity off, and then it's back on. It's still there, but we've just given it the illusion, and when it's not there, we can jump through it as well. But you saw what happened there, didn't we? We got stuck halfway through, which is a bit weird. So it's up to you how you want to use that, but that's quite a cool extra thing we can do with the knowledge we've already got.